We received the full details of the resume. Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Sync Webhooks to Pabbly to chat with a PDF file. In the first step, select the Pabbly webhook. Now click on the trigger event and choose the file data webhook. Copy the webhook. Click on the Sync Webhooks extension icon and add it in the webhook URL field. Add the respective workflow name. Navigate to Features, select the AI Assistant option, and click the Save button. Now open any web page in a new tab. If you guys are using an existing page, refresh it. Go to the previously saved Pabbly webhook and click on the bot icon. It'll open the AI Assistant pop-up on the web page. In the pop-up input field, add the text. Navigate to the file icon and click it to upload a PDF file. I'm selecting a resume to show you an example use case. Now send the text and file data to the webhook to trigger it, so we can map all the respective fields. The webhook was successfully triggered and accepted the response. The webhook received the data that we previously sent via Sync Webhooks AI Assistant. Now click on the next step. Search for OpenAI and add it in this step. Click on Action Event. Scroll down and select the PDF image file option. Connect to your OpenAI account and save it. Now add the received file URL in the OpenAI PDF URL field. Add the received text in the prompt field. Now save and send the request to test it. We successfully received the PDF file data from OpenAI. Now click the plus icon. Search for the Pabbly Data Forwarder application. Navigate to it and click to add. Click on Action Event. Select Return Custom Response to the source. Click on Connect. Add the JSON in the JSON field and include the OpenAI message content. Now save and send the request to test it. We successfully tested all requests. Save it and go back to the web page to use the Sync Webhooks AI Assistant. You guys can use the new AI Assistant pop-up. I'm using the default pop-up and the default resume PDF file that we added previously. I'm asking the AI to explain this resume. We received the full details of the resume. In the next video, I'll show you how to use multiple files.